In this AppStation review, I'm going to be showing you guys if you can really play games and make money on this website. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if AppStation is actually worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software, and courses. If you want to get my number one recommended strategy that has personally helped me to go from 0 to 5,000 to almost $10,000 per month, you can click the first link in the description. So AppStation is basically a gaming app and you get many rewards and you can turn these rewards into actual money. It's actually a legitimate website and I'm going to tell you guys if it's really worth your time. First of all, I would like to tell you guys that AppStation is a big company which was made by Playtime. So as you all know, Playtime is a huge company that have created AppStation, and Playtime have created a lot of these gaming apps. So Playtime offers you these rewards which you can later turn into actual money. So Playtime is a big company, it really works and all of that. So the real question is how much money you could be making with this app. But before that, let me show you the interface. You can play games like Fishdom, then you can play Match Royale, you can play all those stacking cards. You may see some gambling games. You can see all types of games in this website. But the real question is how much money you could be making. As you can see, you could be earning like 423 coins for playing games. So they pay basically coins for every minute that you play. So as soon as you logged into the game, you will be getting around maybe like 200, 300, 500 points for every minute that you play. But the more you play, the lesser the coins become. So if you're continuously playing it for like a week or 2 weeks, then what happens is that they will absolutely reduce your coins to around 10 coins for every minute that you play. So it goes all the way from 200 to up to like 10 coins, which is actually really less. So that's an issue, but it's generally how these type of money making games website and apps work. So it's really normal for them to actually reduce the coins as soon as you get interested in the game. And you have like a variety of gift cards that you could be potentially looking at. It really depends where you are from the world. If you're from a part of the world where Amazon gift card is like really popular, you will get Amazon gift card, then you can get PayPal. And the cool thing is that your threshold is only $1. So as soon as you get to $1, you can withdraw your money. But the thing is that in order for you guys to get $1 is not that easy. It's going to take a lot of time for you people to actually get to $1. So as I've mentioned, you get a lot of points at the start, but it kind of declines to around 10 coins per minute. So if you so in order to get to $1, you will need about 10,000 coins. So remember guys, 10,000 coins for you guys to actually get to $1. So if you do the math, it's around 16 hours of your day for in order to get to $1. So that's really low. If you're spending like 16 or 17 hours a day, it's actually 16.6 hours, almost 17 hours every single day for you guys to get to like $1. But if you're not the kind of person who's really looking into money, but you just want to play games, then you can go for it. But if you look at the money making side of this app, it's not really worth your time, because spending almost 17 hours on a game and you're getting to $1, it's actually not worth your time. So if you want to play games, I think you can go with it. But if you're looking to make money online, I don't really think it's an excellent strategy. But what you can do is you could like play this game for like 2 hours per day, and you could be getting there within like a week or 2 weeks time. You will get to like $1. But that again, if you're spending like 2 hours a day for these many days, it's again $1. It's not really worth your time, no matter where you're from in the world. So that's one thing. Let's have a look at some of the reviews. So there is quite a lot of 5-star reviews, but I'm not going to go through this because this is something you guys can do it yourself. Let me go at some of the 1-star reviews. So they are having some trouble. So some people are finding there are actually three kind of problem that I've found. The first problem is that they have told that they used to get very high points at the start, but later on they get to like 10 or 20 coins per minute. But again, guys, for gaming apps like this that makes money, they only pay that much. It's not a new thing. But some people are finding it very hard. And the second thing is that they find a lot of glitch in the app. So they find even though they have played like 5 minutes and they didn't get like, if they are getting like 10 points for every minute, they didn't get like 50 points for the game that they have played. So there some people are facing some glitch. Again, it really depends. If you're lucky, you won't get that glitchy things. And also they are getting a lot of ads, so that's the third thing. But again, guys, playtime, this AppStation, how they make money is by showing you ads. So they're showing you a lot of ads while you're playing these games, and again, it's causing them problems. So again, you're not going to stop getting ads because that's how they get money, and how they share this revenue with you. So those are the three things I've seen in the review section. But overall, I think as a gaming app, I think AppStation is a fantastic app. But if you look at the money making side of AppStation, it's not like a lot of money they are offering. And again, if it were me, I would have actually stayed away from AppStation because it doesn't pay much. But if you want to play games and have fun, I think AppStation is a good idea. So that's basically it for this video. Now, if you're still watching this video and if you're looking for a way to make big money online, I'm talking about, going from absolute zero to 5,000 to 10,000 dollars per month. If you're looking to make that kind of money, I suggest you click the first link in the description. You can get a free affiliate marketing guide, and also you can see my #1 recommended system. So that's it, and I hope to see you on another review video. Take care.